Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Pinterest account. Make sure to stick around till the very end to understand each step so you can close your account completely if you're ready to say goodbye to Pinterest. So let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app and log into your account if you have not already. And once you're on the main page, click on Saved icon located in the bottom right corner. And once you're on a page like this, look for profile icon or the initial located in the top left corner and then click on it to open your account settings. Next, look for the option labeled as Account Management. And once you're in the Account Management, scroll down and you will find this option of Delete Your Data and Account. Click on it. It will bring you to a page like this. Here you can see we have the option of Continue. Click on it and it will ask for the reason why you want to delete your account. So you can choose any reason and then click on Send Email. Now Pinterest will send you a confirmation email to your registered email address. So open your email and find the confirmation message from Pinterest and click on the confirmation link to finalize your account deletion. Pinterest will begin deleting your account and keep in mind it may take a few days to fully process. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.